morning, everyone. I, Achal Purti,
I, Premlata Tupno,
of Class 9, will be your host for Father Agnell School Virtual 75th Independence Day program. Without further delay, let's begin the program. As we all know that today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day of our country. So let us dedicate our first program to our motherland India. So presenting before you some poems and songs dedicated by our students to our country.
Good morning, friends. Today I am going to recite a poem on front of you. Title of this poem is O Mother India. O my nation, my India wants to worship you, wants to be stuck on you. Everything which is mine wants to sacrifice on you. Way of life is amid you. Name of your strength me, name of your arrogant me. How I am gratitude to God that He gave birth on the planet of your O India. I always feel to be proud that you give me a peaceful place in your heart, O India. Always salute you, always love you, always salute you. Vande Mataram.
वो जिंदगी क्या जिसमें देशभक्ति न हो, और वो मौत ही क्या जो तिरंगे में न लिखती हो। मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन।
now presenting before you a dance from the primary section.
यहाँ हर
पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाऊं गुल बन के, मैं खिल जाऊं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं, तेरे खेतों में लहराऊं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Good morning, everybody. I, Suhana Rao of Class 8, stand before you to speak a short note on Independence Day. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I would like to speak few words from the bottom of my heart on this auspicious occasion. Friends, we are celebrating 75th of Independence Day. On this day, 15th of August 1947, India became independent from British rule. Thousands of brave hearts sacrificed their life for the freedom of India. We must remember those great freedom fighters on this day. We celebrate this to commemorate our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more. Due to their sacrifices, we are living happily in today's society.
We all know that freedom for India would never be possible without the selfless sacrifice by our freedom fighters. So, let us remember and pay tribute to our brave freedom fighters through our next program.
चमक उठी संसत्ता में, वो तलवार पुरानी थी, बूंदे लहर बोलो के मुंह, हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी थी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी। भारत माता की जय। महात्मा गांधी हमारे देश के राष्ट्रीय पिता कहलाते हैं। उनका पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी है। प्यार से लोग उन्हें बापू कहते हैं। उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 को गुजरात के पोरबंदर में हुआ था। महात्मा गांधी सत्य अहिंसा के पुजारी थे। स्वदेशी अपनाओ, देश बचाओ, भारत माता की जय। झांसी की मैं रानी हूँ, मैदाने जंग में मरना है, फिरंगी से नहीं डरना है, भारत माता की जय। My name is Anthil Sadak and now I am going to perform the role of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I am the first Prime Minister of India. My father's name is Motilal Nehru. My mother's name is Swarup Rani. I love children very much. Everyone call me Chacha Nehru. To be successful in our life, what you need is education. Jai Hind. Good morning, respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Independence Day. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you all who are present here a very happy Independence Day. Today is a historic day in the history of our country. On this day, 15 August 1947, we got independence from the British. This day reminds us of our true worth and importance as the freedom-loving brave nation. The freedom that we are enjoying today is the result of decades-long struggles made by forefathers and our great leaders. The freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rani Lakshmibai and many more devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Their sacrifice can never be forgotten. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Arhan Dung from class 2. I am here to present a speech. India is a great country and today we are celebrating Independence Day. But it is because of freedom fighter that we are free. Freedom fighter like Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Mahatma Gandhi dreamed of a free nation. They put their heart and soul into it. And few even had to lose their life. They led many movements and finally their dream came true on 15 August 1947. So let us together remember them and not forget their sacrifice for our country. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Today, let us not forget our soldiers who have sacrificed their lives and those who are still guarding the borders of our country from the enemies. Now, presenting before you a dance from the primary section.
हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। यार बाज हम चाल साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूटे दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूटे दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
With this, we come to the end of the program. I hope we managed to instill a feeling of patriotism in you. So,
Thank you everyone. Jai Hind and Happy Independence Day.